Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today I'm going to be unboxing for you my Curateur box for winter 2023. Now I gotta tell you guys, this box is usually very slow on shipping, so I am shocked that this box is even here right now. Usually I get it at like the end of the season, or it's behind or something's delayed, but this actually showed up in the winter season and nothing was delayed. Like everything's supposed to be in here. So here's my Curateur box. This is the winter 2023 box, like I mentioned. It is a quarterly lifestyle subscription and it's all curated by Rachel Zoe. And inside you're gonna have, supposed to at least have $400 worth of products. Now this box, I think this is my most expensive lifestyle box. This cost me $125 a quarter, plus there is free shipping on it. But they state that you are supposed to receive $400 worth of items inside for that $125 price point. Usually they hit it, and so I usually can trust this box. But like I said, shipping is so fast on this. So if you want the winter box, it is currently shipping right now and you should get it pretty quickly. Oh, now Miss Rachel Zoe is looking very fabulous. So inside of your box, you're usually going to be greeted by a card that will talk about all of the items, the things that you're going to receive inside of that winter collection. Like I said, it's all curated by Rachel Zoe, and she goes in to explain why she loves those products. You are able to customize a couple of things with this subscription. You're not able to customize your entire box, but they will give you like this or that options. So like you can see we're gonna get a robe in the winter box and you can choose if you want this pattern or if you wanna go with this one. So they will give you a couple of options to choose from. Do you know what's funny? It's probably just the pink, but when I open this up, I'm like, wow, did I go to Victoria's Secret? So first bag that we have on top here is from Flannery. This is a skincare company, although I've never seen them ship in a bag before, so that's kind of awesome. So we have this little burlap bag here, and inside I have 3 items. We have the Jasmine Sunset Rose Quartz Night Cream. So this is a face and eye night cream, and this is supposed to give you hydration overnight. I also have the Everlasting Spring Hibiscus Invigorating Mask. So these are just gonna have different scents on them, but this is supposed to invigorate, revitalize that skin, brighten up any tired or dull skin. And the last one that I have is an eye serum, and it is supposed to target dark circles. This one is their Wild Jasmine Hyaluronic Eye Cream product. So it will take down any puffiness that you might have, or like I said, those dark circles that you might have underneath. Now, all of these appear to be full-size products, and I will tell you, Flannery was in one of the Allure best of boxes that they had, and they're not cheap, you guys. Like, it's a good brand. So to have 3 of them, I'm already going, we could have easily hit $100 with these 3 products. So even more than that, 180 is what it says. So this does sell as a set on their website. It's called the Rest and Rebalance set. It's $180 to purchase this bag with these 3 full-size products in it. I kind of knew. I just remember this from before. Now, I think these masks are really good. I've not tried any of these ones specifically. The one that I got was a different hydrating mask, but I thought it was great. My skin was super soft. So I do feel like it's a good brand. I do think 180 is a bit expensive for these 3 products, but I still think it's probably worth at least $100 for this set. Which, according to my math, I've already made back what I spent on this box just in the first item. Next up, I have a little baggie here, and I think this is a jewelry item. So usually in every one of my Curateur boxes, I will receive a jewelry item, and you can typically choose what it is that you want. So you can choose either if you want silver or if you want gold, or they'll give you the option of like a bracelet or a necklace or earrings, whatever it might be. So this one, I'm guessing is a necklace. It's really long. Yeah. So this is from Lieda is the brand. So it's brand new with tags here. I'm not familiar with this brand, but this is our gorgeous gold necklace, and then it's got a pearl down here at the bottom. But what's also cool about this gold chain is it's all braided, so you can look at it there and see it's very thick. I don't think this is gonna break. And that's the whole necklace when it's like this. So it is really thick, but it's not heavy, which is fantastic. I don't think it's going to be too heavy to wear, but it definitely is sturdy. Now you do also have an extender on here as well, so if you need to make this a little bit longer, you can. I do like this. I feel like if you had a black dress on with a V-neck, this would be so classy and elegant. The gold with the pearl and just a simple black dress, I think this would be super cute. So this was a choice product, and we could have chosen the necklace, or you could have went with the pearl drop huggy earrings. So like I said, you're able to choose between the two. This necklace retails for $85. The earrings would have retailed for $80. So this is what your choices were. These are the huggies that they have up here. I do remember looking at these two, and the only reason why I didn't go with the huggy earrings is this style is extremely popular right now, and I already have it from other jewelry brands. So I just didn't need another pair of earrings that look the same, versus I don't have a necklace like this. Oh, so I did go with the pink robe after all. See, I couldn't remember, but this is my robe. Show me your moo-moo. So this is the brand itself is Moo Moo, and we have the Harlow robe. The shade is called Pink Stripe. It is a one size fits all. You could have chosen the gold cashmere set, and it had more of an animal print design to it, which I'm not usually an animal print person, so I went with the pink because it's just stripes, but they both had the same retail value of $128 on them. I am a huge robe person in winter, like fall and winter both. I always have robes on, and I'll like do my hair and my makeup and I'll just wear a robe, but I don't usually wear one in summer. So I kind of like that they went with the robe in the winter box because this is when I'll actually use it. Now it does have a really wide collar on this and great pink trim. Very silky. It's got like a satin finish to this one. It's very lightweight. It is not going to keep you warm unless your house is like 75 degrees. It's really not going to keep you warm this winter. It is a lightweight robe that you can just put on, be fresh, do your hair and your makeup. I do think, though, this is so wrinkly, though. That's the one thing that I'm noticing, is that it's wrinkly and that there's also strings coming off of this. So now I'm questioning the quality on here. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but do you see how there's like some of this fabric is pulling? I don't know. It just doesn't seem like it's the highest quality. I'm just looking at all of these. Now, it may be just up there at the collar because inside it's not nearly as bad. Maybe it's just that one spot. So this one, I don't know. I'm a little disappointed with it because for them to claim that this is a $100 robe, it doesn't feel like that. It doesn't really look like it either. I think it's nice, but I honestly think you could pick up a robe very similar to this for half the price. Thankfully, I feel like I have my money's worth already in the other products that I've opened up, so I'm not going to put a lot of weight into this, but I definitely think this brand is overcharging. Next up, we do have a clutch inside of our bag. Now, this is a fold-over clutch, which basically means you just fold it over. So it's just a big square, and you can fill this with as much as you want, and you can fold it over at any length, and then you're supposed to carry it that way. Usually, I will do something like this, where you get a little bit of that extra on the bottom there. It does have a tassel along with it. There's a gold zipper here. It's a ivory cream color. It's not a direct white, and it is all vegan leather as well. I do think the zipper's really nice. It's lined inside, which is fabulous. This is from a company called Rachel Zoe. This feels more like the quality I expect from this box. I like this a lot more than the robe. This is really cute. I do think it's nice that it stays folded over while you're using it. Sometimes with these fold over clutches, they won't stay, and then you're just going around carrying it like this, and it just doesn't look nearly as cute. But this actually stays down for you, so I do like that. Now, if you were gonna purchase this clutch, it comes in at $148. Well, I don't like it that much. It says, white is so chic for winter dressing. I love the idea of pairing this clutch with a matching sweater dress and boots. You can also unfold it and just use it as a packaging pouch if you are traveling or on the go. She's right, you absolutely could just use this for packing. But seriously, $148 for this? Like, It's not even real leather. But last but not least, we also received a blanket inside of this box. This is from the same brand as the clutch. So this is the Rachel Miriam Throw, and it is a cozy throw blanket, and it is 100% cozy. So if you guys look here, it's got a little bit of stretch to it. This reminds me of something I would wear, but it's actually a blanket. So I'm in love with this already just because it's soft, it is cozy, it keeps you warm. I love that the color is neutral for anyone's home. I mean, you can incorporate this anywhere and it's gonna look great. Great for winter time. This is a huge win to me. Now the price on this throw is $128 for this. Now again, I don't know that this is worth $128. There's no way I would go out and buy this for that price tag, but it is very soft. It feels really well made. Like this feels like decent quality. So I do love that it is in our box today and I'll definitely use it. So that is everything inside of my Curateur box for winter 2023. For my review today, I definitely think some of these items are overpriced. I don't think it's the box's fault because I looked these up. They are that price on the websites that they got them from, but I do think it's a bit much. Now, do I feel like I lost money on this box? I don't think so. $125 for all of these items. I really don't think that's a bad deal, especially knowing the beauty brand alone and knowing that that brand is expensive. I see the value in this box. I do think the robe is my biggest disappointment though. It's just not made the best. And I don't know if I got a bad one or what the deal is with that, but I just am not in love with that one. But everything else I really like and I'm definitely going to use. The blanket is probably my favorite item. It's super soft, super cozy. I love that it's in the winter box. So yeah, all in all, I'm very happy with my box this time around. But let me know what you guys think of this box. And if you are interested in purchasing, like I said, the winter box is available right now. So if you order, this is what you will receive. You can customize it though with the other options if you didn't like my choices. But I also think I have a $25 coupon code for you guys as well. So I will post that down below along with my link, and I believe you can save $25 off of your first box. But until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!